What's up guys, it's me your Geek. So here the Essential Phone PH-1 display review. I really love my Essential Phone a lot. So now here is the Essential Phone PH-1 display review. As you can see, the display is quite good. Let me show you some images. Okay, let me show you again some images to better demonstrate the display quality. Maybe something like this. Look at it. Look at the beauty of the display. The display is really quite good, to be honest with you. Wow. The display is one of the best IPS display ever I have seen. To be honest with you, I'm not really lying. This is an amazingly beautiful display. At the end of the day, you can't get anything better than this display. Again, this is an amazingly beautiful display. I don't know what to say. Look at it. Wow, the display is quite, vibrant. I really don't like AMOLED display. Okay, this image have so much detail in it. The display is so much beautiful, to be honest with you. Of the Essential Phone is one of the best IPS display ever out there. I could not tell you how much I really like this display. It's quite vibrant. Yeah, the blacks are not as much deep blacks compared to the AMOLED or OLED panel. You can see this one is the black. It's not like deep black or pure black, but at the end order is quite close. Look at it. The display is quite good. Make sure to watch this video in 4K, and then you can see the reality of this beautiful display. Again, if you wanna support me, make sure to check out the links in the description box below. If you have any question on the Essential Phone PH-1, drop me an email. My email address is in the description box below. Bye.